food and health. Today we will learn about junk food and diseases related to our food habits and lifestyle. Before moving to our today's session, let us have a quick recap of what we have learned in our last class. In our previous class, we talked about balanced diet. So, can you tell me what is balanced diet? Yes, a diet that contains all the nutrients that our body needs to function properly along with water and roughage is called a balanced diet. Now, let's learn about junk food and diseases related to our food habits and lifestyle. What is junk food? As you all know that any food that contains high amount of sugar, starch and fats with low amount of other nutrients is called junk food. I repeat, any food that contains high amount of sugar, starch and fats and low amount of other nutrients is called junk food. Sugar, sweet, fried fast food, soft drinks are some of the examples of junk food. These food items may be delicious, but they do not provide any nutritional benefit on it. This may lead to obesity and other health problems. It does not provide enough energy to our body. Now let us move on to our next topic, that is diseases related to our food habits and lifestyle. Sometimes even after we take care of ourselves, we end up with several diseases. So in this part of a chapter, let us first look at diseases. A person suffering from a disease generally feels unwell, weak, or unable to work properly. Unhealthy food and lifestyle habits are the main causes of several diseases. These unhealthy food habits include eating lots of junk food and lack of exercise. So what is lifestyle diseases? Diseases that are associated with the way people live their life are called lifestyle diseases. Diseases that are associated with the way we live our life are called lifestyle diseases. Obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, anemia, and several heart diseases are the most common lifestyle diseases. Let us know about some of them. What is obesity? It is an unhealthy condition of being very fat or overweight. It is mainly caused by overeating, eating unhealthy food like junk food, and lack of physical exercise or physical activity. Now let's see what are the symptoms of obesity. What do you mean by symptom? Symptom, it is a physical or mental change caused by a disease. So let's see what are the main symptoms of obesity. Unhealthy weight gain, laziness, breathing problems, increased sweating are some of the symptoms of obesity. Now let's move on to diabetes. What is diabetes? It is a condition where our body fails to utilize the sugar present in the blood. Obesity, stress, and lack of physical activity are the major causes of diabetes. What are the main symptoms of diabetes? Increased thirst, hunger, and urination are some of the symptoms of diabetes. Increased thirst means you feel thirsty again and again. Now let's move on to high blood pressure. High blood pressure is also known as hypertension. High blood pressure is usually caused due to obesity, lack of exercise, disturbed sleep, stress, and too much intake of salty food. Now let's see what are the symptoms of high blood pressure. High blood pressure usually has no clear symptoms, but these are some of the symptoms. Headache, dizziness, vision problems, etc. are some of the symptoms of high blood pressure. Now next we have anemia. Anemia is a condition in which the blood doesn't have enough healthy red blood cells in the body. This is because of lack of iron in the diet. So what are the symptoms? Headache, dizziness, tiredness, and pale skin are some of the symptoms of high blood pressure. Now, let us see an easy way to prevent lifestyle diseases. First, we need to eat a balanced diet and avoid eating junk food. Next, we need to eat food in a small portion and chew it properly. Next, avoid too much intake of sugar and salt and fats in a meal. Exercise regularly. Keep yourself active. We need to keep ourselves active by doing some of the exercises. And the most important, do not spend too much time watching television, playing games on computer and phones. So these are the prevention of lifestyle diseases. We will stop our class till here for today. See you all in our next class with the topic food adulteration. Now, before concluding our class, let's have a quick recap of what we have learned today. We talked about junk food. What is junk food? Any food that contains high amount of sugar, salt and fat with low amount of other nutrients in it is called junk food. For example, sugar, sweet, fried fast food, soft drinks are some of the examples of junk food. Then we talk about diseases related to our food habits and lifestyle. Some of the common diseases related to food habits and lifestyle are obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure or hypertension, and anemia. I hope you have understood what we have learned today. We'll stop our class till here for today. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and eat healthy food. Avoid junk food.